Proverbs 23:22. Hearken unto thy father that begot thee, and despise not thy mother when she is old. Psalm 32:8. I will instruct thee and teach thee in the way which thou shalt go. I will guide thee with mine eye. Psalm 9:10. And they that know thy name will put their trust in thee. For thou, Lord, hast not forsaken them that seek thee. Proverbs 3:3. Let not mercy and truth forsake thee. Bind them about thy neck. Write them upon the tablet, the table of thine heart. 2 Corinthians 6:16. And what agreement hath the temple of God with idols? For ye are the temple of the living God. As God hath said, I will dwell in them, and walk in them, and I will be their God, and they shall be my people. Nehemiah 8:10. Then he said unto them, Go your way, eat the fat, and drink the sweet, and send portions unto them for whom nothing is prepared. For this day is holy unto our Lord. Neither be ye sorry, for the joy of the Lord is our strength. Proverbs 22:6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Proverbs 1:5. A wise man will hear and will increase learning, and a man of understanding shall attain unto wise counsel. James 5:16. Confess your faults one to another, and pray one for another, that he may be healed. The effectual fervent prayer of a righteous man availeth much. Jeremiah 1:5. Before I formed thee in the belly, I knew thee, and before thou camest forth out of the womb, I sanctified thee, and I ordained thee a prophet unto the nations. Romans 15:7. Wherefore receive ye one another, as Christ also received us to the glory of God.